How do boat Davit systems get installed? Imagine being able to lift and store your dinghy safely and easily right on your boat. Installing a Davit system might seem complicated, but it follows a clear process. First, you start with careful planning. Measure your dinghy's length, width, and weight, then check the stern or swim platform area of your boat. You want the mounting points to be strong and symmetrical. Usually, the lower mounts are positioned 6 to 12 inches closer together than the dinghy's lifting points. This helps the dinghy sit snugly against the davit arms, reducing movement and chafing. Next, you mark where the davits will go. Use tape or a pencil to mark the spots on the boat's deck or rail. It's smart to temporarily attach the davit arms with clamps or U-bolts first. This way, you can check the fit and make adjustments before drilling any holes. Once everything lines up, you drill through the boat's structure at the marked points. Because you are penetrating the hull, it's important to use backing plates and marine-grade sealant or silicone to keep the boat watertight. The davit bases, or lower mounts, are then secured with stainless steel bolts through the drilled holes. After the bases are in place, you attach the davit arms to these mounts. Tighten all fittings and make sure the arms are aligned and stable. The arms should be able to pivot or swing as designed, with pulleys or lines at the top for lifting. Now, you rig the lifting tackle. This usually involves a system of pulleys and lines that give you a mechanical advantage. Common setups use 4:6:1 tackle ratios, depending on the weight of your dinghy and whether you keep the outboard motor attached during lifts. If your system is powered, you will need to install hydraulic lines, electrical connections, and a power pack. Routing hydraulic hoses through the deck or standpipe needs care, and connecting everything to the boat's power source can take a few days. Sometimes, you may need to modify the deck or interior to fit the hydraulic components. Once everything is installed, it's time for testing. Lift and lower the dinghy several times to check for smooth operation, proper alignment, and secure attachment points. Make any adjustments needed to the tackle or arm positioning. When installing a davit system, always pick a mounting location that can handle the load. Use corrosion-resistant hardware to prevent rust, especially in salty environments. Be sure the davits do not block access to other parts of the boat or interfere with operations. Whether your system is manual or powered, following these steps carefully will give you a safe, reliable way to handle your dinghy. Proper installation means you can enjoy easy lifting and storing, while protecting your boat's structure at the same time.